Recently, I went to Bulawayo with a friend of mine, and he wanted to buy a black jacket because it was cold. He wanted to have a match with his shirt that he was wearing. Then I sent him to go to a certain shop there in Lobengula where we were. So he couldn't even say black in the valley. Then the person he met couldn't hear English and Shona. So we are here to bridge the language gap. So what we want to talk about today, we want to talk about colors in isiNdebele. Black, gumnyama, gumnyama. Green, guluhlaza, guluhlaza. Yellow, gulithanga, gulithanga. White, gumhlophe, gumhlophe.